Welcome guys. Today we'll see a problem on node analysis. So determine this node voltage VA, VB and currents through all the branches using node analysis. So to solve this problem for node analysis, so we have identified already as given VA and VB are nodes. So this will be one more node. So this is ground 0 volt. So to solve this problem, first identify the currents. First identify the currents in each branches. So let's take this current, an incoming current here. Call this I1. Then from this an outgoing current. Call it I2. And one more outgoing current. Call it I3. From this source, let's take one more incoming current as I4 and one outgoing current as I5. So I1, I need to find I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. So to solve this problem, first consider node 1. First consider node 1. Apply KCL. So I1 is the incoming current, outgoing currents are I2 and I3. So now write I1 in terms of voltages and resistance. So I1 is coming from 15 volts. So 15 minus VA divided by 1 is equal to I2 starting from VA and finally going to 0. So VA minus 0 divided by 1. I3 VA to VB. So VA minus VB by 0.5. So solving this, 15 minus VA equals VA plus 1 by 0.5 can be written as 2. So 2 VA minus 2 VB. So 15 equals 4 VA minus 2 VB. Call this equation 1. Second, consider node 2. Apply KCL. So one outgoing current I5, two incoming currents I3 and I4. So I5 can be written as VB minus 0 divided by 2 ohm resistance. I3 can be written as already have written, so VA minus VB by 0.5. I4 comes from here, so 20 minus VB divided by 4. So in solving this equation, I have minus 20 equals 2 VA minus 3.5 VB. Question number 2. So you can see here, this is 0.5 VB is equal to 2 VA minus 2 VB plus So 0.5 VB equals 2 VA minus 2 VB plus 1 by 4 can be written as 0.25 into 20 minus VB. So this can be solved. 0.5 VB minus 2 VA minus becomes 2 plus 2 VB plus 0.25 VB is equal to 20 by 20 into 0.25 is 5. So taking minus 2 VA, 2 VB, 2 plus 2.5 plus this will be 2 plus 0.25 plus 0.5, so plus 2.75 VB equals 5. This is the second equation. So now we just need to solve these two equations. So on solving this, I get VA is 7.32 volts and VB is 7.14 volt. So now find out I1. So I1 is 15 minus VA by 1. So 15 minus 7.32. So 7.68. Next I2 is VA by 1. VA is 7.32. I3 VA minus VB by 0.5. So 7.32 minus 7.14 divided by 0.5, 0.36. So we can verify that I2 plus I3 is equal to I1. Next, I4 20 minus VB by 4. 3.215 amps. I5 is VB by 2. So 3.57 amps. So we can verify that I3 plus I4 together will give I5 3.57 amps. So these are the solutions for this problem. This is how the node analysis problem has to be solved. Thank you.